Imagine a motorhome that combines extreme, off-road capability with futuristic luxury design. A machine inspired by the future of exploration, where comfort, power, and innovation exist in one concept. This is the Toyota Arctic Titan, a futuristic expedition motorhome concept designed for cinematic visualization purposes. A glimpse into how travel could look in the coming decades. This scene takes place inside a modern luxury automotive showroom environment. Clean white marble flooring reflects soft lighting. Minimalist architecture highlights the vehicle as the center of attention. Large glass walls create a bright premium atmosphere. At the center stands the Arctic Titan concept model, a bold futuristic motorhome design with pearl white finish, black armored accents, and electric blue styling details. This is a digital concept representation for visualization purposes only. The camera moves toward the front view. Key design elements include illuminated futuristic style grille concept, sharp LED matrix-inspired lighting design, carbon fiber styled front bumper concept, wide and powerful off-road stance. This angle highlights the bold and aggressive design language of the concept vehicle. The camera transitions to a full side profile view. This angle showcases large-scale expedition-inspired chassis design, oversized off-road style wheels, extended luxury living structure concept, smooth aerodynamic body flow, blue accent lighting lines for futuristic styling. The design reflects a mobile luxury living concept for extreme environments. The rear angle reveals expedition-inspired elements. Concept cargo storage system, roof-mounted communication-style antenna design, integrated lighting signature, strong armored-style rear structure. This section emphasizes durability and long-distance travel inspiration. A top-down cinematic view shows solar panel-inspired energy system design, roof storage modules, communication dome concept, outdoor lounge-style rooftop layout. This represents a self-sustaining futuristic travel concept idea. Inside the motorhome concept, the environment focuses on comfort and innovation. Modern luxury seating layout, soft ambient lighting design, minimal futuristic interior styling, smart living space inspiration, open-plan mobile home concept. This interior is designed as a futuristic lifestyle visualization only. The driver area features a futuristic design approach. Digital-style dashboard interface, curved display concept screens, smart navigation visualization system, ergonomic futuristic steering design. This cockpit represents how future mobility control systems may look. The sleeping area concept includes luxury bed layout design, soft lighting environment, compact space optimization, privacy glass concept windows, a peaceful and modern interpretation of mobile living comfort. The bathroom concept includes compact modern shower design, clean luxury finishes, soft LED mood lighting, space-efficient layout, a spa-inspired mobile hygiene concept. The kitchen section includes compact futuristic cooking layout, hidden storage design, minimal luxury surfaces, smart kitchen concept styling, designed for long-distance expedition living inspiration. The camera pulls back slowly. The Arctic Titan concept stands in the futuristic showroom environment. Lighting reflects across its surface. The design feels bold, modern, and visionary. This concludes a futuristic CGI concept, showcase of next-generation expedition living ideas. If you enjoyed this futuristic concept design showcase, comment your thoughts below. Where would you travel if a motorhome like this existed? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more futuristic automotive concepts. This video is a computer-generated, concept visualization and artistic design showcase only. It does not represent any real production vehicle, brand announcement, or official product. All visuals and descriptions are intended for entertainment and creative concept purposes only.